Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Myself Shruti Shinde. In this video, we will see for loop, advantages of for loop, its syntax, algorithm, flowchart and program. First, what is for loop? For loop is a loop which is used to execute the statement or a part of program several times until your condition is satisfied. Second, advantages of for loop. First, it provides code reusability. Second, using loop, we do not use to write code again and now we will see syntax of for loop. For in rounded bracket, initialization statement, semicolon, test expression, semicolon, upgraded statement, rounded bracket completed. Opening the body of for in that statement 1, semicolon, closing the body of for. In the syntax of for, first the value is initialized, then it is checked in test expression. If it is true, it goes inside the body and then it performs whatever in the body. Then the statement is upgraded. But if it is false, it directly comes out from the loop. For example, for in rounded bracket, I is equal to 1 semicolon, I less than 5 semicolon, I plus plus. In that body of for, printf in double quote %d, I plus plus. Title of the program is to show the following pattern. Now let's see algorithm. Step 1, start. Step 2, declare the variable I, j, k and count is equal to 1. Step 3, enter the number of row. Step 4, for I is equal to 1 to row, perform for j is equal to row j greater than I, then display space. For k is equal to 1 to I, then display the value of count plus plus. Then step 5, stop. Now we will see flowchart. We start the flowchart by taking start in terminal. Then we declare the variable I, j, k, row and count is equal to 1 in processing box. Then we enter the number of row in input box. After we initialize I is equal to 1, it is in processing box. Then we check the condition I is less than equal to row. If it is in decision box. If it is true, initialize j is equal to row. It is in processing box. And if it is false, come out from the loop directly. After we initialize j is equal to row, again check the condition j is greater than I. If it is true, display the space. It is in output box. The j is decreased by 1. It is in processing box. And again go to check the condition j is greater than I. If it is false, it goes again to initialize k is equal to 1 in processing box. Then it again check the condition k is less than equal to I, which is in decision box. If it is true, it displays the value of count plus plus. Then it is k is increased by 1. If the condition k is less than equal to I is false, it goes to increment of first loop, that is I is increased by 1. This loop is repeated until our condition becomes false. Now we will see program for same algorithm and flowchart. Here to add two header files, first #include stdio.h, #include konya.h, then void main function, opening curly bracket of main body, declaring the integer data type value I, j, k, row and count is equal to 1, clr function. This function is used to get clear output screen of previous output. Then printf in double quote enter the row, scanf in double quote %d, ampersand of row. Here we use printf to display the message enter the row and scanf to take the value from keyboard. Here we use for loop for I is equal to 1 semicolon, I is less than equal to row semicolon, I plus plus. In the body of for, again for loop is used. For j is equal to row semicolon, j is greater than I semicolon, j minus minus. In its body, printf space in double quote semicolon, closing its body. Again another for loop is used. For k is equal to 1 semicolon, k is less than equal to I semicolon, k plus plus. In its body, printf double quote %d, count, then count plus plus, closing its body. Printf in double quote slash n, closing the curly bracket of closing curly bracket, it means closing the main for body of for, then get ch, then closing curly bracket, it means closing the main body of program. Now we will save the program and then we will compile the program. 0 errors are shown and then we will run it. Here in the output it is said that enter the row. We have entered the value of row 4 and the 4 row output pattern is shown. Now let's see example for program by accepting row is equal to 3. This program, if we taken some value of row, the for loop will be repeated, such as here if we taken the value of row equal to 3, then for loop will be repeated as for I is equal to 1, then I is less than equal to row, that is condition is check 1 is less than equal to 3. As this condition is true, it goes inside the body. Here inside the body again for loop is used. For j is equal to row, that is j equal to 3, then the condition is check j is greater than I, that is 3 is greater than I. As this condition is true, it goes inside the body. In its body printf space, and therefore one space is printed here, then j decrement is taken and the value of j become 2, and again the condition is check 2 is greater than 1. As this condition is true, then it again go inside the body and print one space. Then again j decrement is taken, therefore the value of j become 1. Then again condition is check 1 is greater than 1. As this condition become false, it goes outside the loop. Then again for loop is used. Here for loop, for initialize k is equal to 1 and k is less than equal to I, that is k is equal to 1 and the 1 is condition is checked that 1 is less than equal to 1. As this condition is true, it go inside the body. In that printf in double quote %d comma count, therefore the value of count is printed here. The value of count is initialized here, count is equal to 1, therefore 1 is print here. And then again count plus plus, therefore the value of count become 2, then the k increment is taken here, therefore the value of k become 2, and the condition is check again 2 is less than equal to 1. As this condition is false, it goes outside the loop. Then I increment is taken, therefore the value of I become 2. Then the condition is check I less than equal to row, as 2 is less than equal to 3. As this condition is true, it goes inside the body. For loop is used inside the body. For j is equal to row, that is j is equal to 3. Then the condition check j greater than I, 3 greater than 2. As this condition is true, then it goes inside the body. In its body printf in the space in double quote, therefore space is print here, and then j decrement is taken, therefore the value of j become 2. Then the condition is check 2 less than 2. As this condition is false, then it goes outside the loop. Then again for loop is used. For k is equal to 1, k is less than equal to I, then the condition is check 1 is less than equal to 2. As this condition is true, it goes inside the body. In its body printf in double quote % space comma count, therefore the value of count 2 space is print here. Then the count plus plus, therefore the value of count become 3. Then the k increment is taken here, therefore the value of k become 2. Then the condition is check 2 less than equal to 2. As this condition is true, then again it goes to the body, goes inside the body. Then in its body, printf in double quote percentage space comma count, therefore the value of count is equal to 3. 3 space is print here. Then again the k increment is taken, therefore the value of k become 3. Then the condition is check 3 less than equal to 2. As this condition become false, it goes outside the loop. I increment is taken, therefore the value of I become 3. Then the condition is check I less than equal to 3, that is 3 less than equal to 3. As this condition is true, it goes inside the body, and the body for loop is used for j is equal to rho, then that is j is equal to 3, j is equal to 3, and the condition is check j greater than I, that is 3 greater than 3. As this condition becomes false, it directly go outside the loop. Then the again for loop is used for k is equal to 1. Then the condition is check k less than equal to I, that is 1 less than equal to 3. As this condition is true, it goes inside the body. In its body, percentage space in double quote comma count, therefore the value of count is equal to 4 is print here. Then again the count plus plus, therefore the value of count become 5. Then the k increment is taken, therefore the value of k become 2. Then the condition is check k less than equal to I, that is 2 less than equal to 3. As this condition is true, it goes inside the body. Printf %d space in double quote comma count, therefore the value of count is equal to 5 is print here with space. Then count plus plus, therefore the value of count becomes 6. Then the k increment is taken here, therefore the value of k become 3. Then the condition is check k less than equal to 3. As this condition is true, then it goes inside the body. Printf %d space in double quote comma count, therefore the value of count is equal to 6 is print here. Then again count plus plus, therefore the value of count equal to 7. Then it again k increment is taken, k equal to 4. Thus condition is check k less than equal to I, that is 4 less than equal to 3. As this condition is false, it comes out from the loop. And again I increment is taken, therefore the value of I becomes 4. Then the condition is check I less than equal to rho, that is 4 less than equal to 3. As this condition become false, it directly comes out from the loop, and the final output of the program is like this. And thanks for watching our video.